Hey everyone, myself Kirish with Catia tutorials. So in this session, I'll just go with the Catia user interface, okay, and how to customize your user interface according to your requirement. So in this, we'll see the user interface settings and customization of it, how to deal with the planar and axial coordinate systems, how to switch them. If you're looking for coordinate system, we can do it. And we'll also see some of the general settings, what and all we need to do to just have a better hands-on on Catia user interface. Okay, so let's get started. If you're totally new to this software, if you want to learn from the scratch, this will help you from the scratch. Okay, I've created series of tutorials. So this is the user interface when you open your software for the first time. Okay, using the student version, that is P3 version. So user interface will be like this for the P3. Okay, so we have P1, P2, and all. You can customize it. So this is how it looks like for the first time. You can go to tools. Before that, you could see here we don't have the save option. Sometimes you face this issue. Okay, in this cases you can't even save the files. Okay, whatever work you have done, can't even store it. So to deal with this, you need to make some changes into the UI settings. Okay, so for that you have to go to tools and options. From there, in the general option, you can go to this licensing. In this licensing, before that, we can switch to this P2 version. So this is what we use normally. So I referred this one. So P3 is quite advanced one. So I preferred P2 to work on because my previous hands-on is on P2 version. Okay, so in this licensing, you can search for this Catia 3D Insight. So you can just turn it off for now. Now you just need to restart it to deal with the same. So once you turn off that particular Catia Insight licensing, could able to save the files and work on software proficiently. Let me just showcase the same. Now you could see at the bottom status bar you have the same thing, and if you just browse from the file, you can get the same. As you could see here, you have the same option now. Okay. So this is the very first thing. So sometimes you might get this as a technical support issue or sometimes software issue. To just deal with this bug, you need to do it. Okay. So as you could see, this is the overall user interface. At the top, you could see this is the menu bar. You have the tools, insert, view, edit, and file. Okay, start menu you have, and the bottom you have the display styles, different display styles, and you have the render and even the apply material tabs as well. So at your right side, you have the tools. Okay, let me just explain everything once again. So as I said, here you're gonna get this options. So I'll just customize few things before doing these all the steps. So interface style P2, as you already know. So the display, you can customize it, the tree appearances and the tree manipulations, and even we have the visualize settings. So here we have this option that is graduated color background. You can even turn it off and turn it on if you want. In the performance, you can just change this performance if you are looking for better a look, the curves and all. Okay, so it will give you the high definitions to deal with this. And even if you are having the better graphics card, you can work on the on-time real rendering by enabling this OpenGL local viewer as well. Okay, sometimes it work if you are using certified graphics, it will work, but for me it is not. So infrastructure. So in this, I can able to customize your management, and here the real life render. If you want to activate the view mode as parallel, by default you can do it here. So by default you'll be having the perspective view while dealing with the modeling. These are the display settings at the beginning. Okay, if you want to enable these all the reflections and all and the lights, can do it. So this is a part infrastructure. So in the display, and here you can just add these constraints and parameters if you're looking for. So this is very important setting. So this is the access system. So right now I'll just showcase which system I'm using. You can just switch to part template and you can use it. So product will change to part. Now I'm using the planar system. So if you want to change it to access system, you can do the same thing from there. Okay. This is the grid turn off, turn on, you can do it. So you can go to this option, and from here you can just use this create an access system option. So it will help you to just have the access system to refer. I normally use this. So to implement this one, you just need to restart your system. Not the system, the software. You can close the software. You can just open it again. So this is the product template. In the beginning, you will get the user interface as product. So switch to the part template by just pressing Control and shortcut or file name that you can do it. Okay. See, now we have the access system into account. Well, I'll introduce the tools here one by one. You can just see the user interface. We have the all the tools displayed. At the bottom, we have the pan and navigation tools, and even the appearance. Adding and let me just. This is the 3D compass. You can even rotate by using this one. Okay, these are the navigation tools, as I said. Okay, this is normal to view. Whenever you orient your model, you can use that tool. So this is measure tool, and these are the reference coordinates and the planes. And you can switch to the ZY axis or ZX depending upon that, or else you can use the planes as given there. So you could see the tools. I have just dragged it into the user interface to just use it proficiently. Normally I do it. So let's say I'll just remove all the things. Sometimes you'll face the same issue. If you want it back, you can right click on this taskbar here and you can just bring it each and everything. So let's say I want the operation tools, just select that. Same thing. I want the profiles like this. Okay. So this is how you can just customize your user interface. According to that, you can work on. So software is quite easy to use. So that's all about how you use it. That's all about user interface. Thank you all for watching. Do like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned.